Let's dive deeper into the world of categories. There are two types. Single-level categories. These are simple one-level filters. Multi-level categories. These consist of a main category, often referred to as the parent category, and subcategories. Today, we'll focus on setting up and customizing these multi-level categories. To get started, let's create a parent category. Go to the Categories menu and tap New Category. Give your category a name and customize its appearance. You can repeat this process to create your subcategories. Once you have your parent and subcategories ready, let's link them together. Open your parent category and access the subcategories menu from here. You will see a full list of categories. Click on the plus sign to link them to the parent categories. As you start assigning them, you'll see two lists. The subcategories list. These are the categories already assigned as subcategories. Other categories. These are the categories you can add as subcategories. Now, let's see how to control which markers are displayed on your map, the parent or the subcategory markers. Go to the Categories menu and open Marker Displayed. You will see two options. Unfiltered view. This determines the markers displayed when no category filter is applied. You can choose to show the parent category marker or the subcategory markers. Filtered view. This controls the markers displayed when a category filter is active. Again, you can select either the parent or subcategory markers. Finally, let's assign categories to your locations. Typically, you'll assign locations directly to subcategories. There's usually no need to assign locations to parent categories. Now you can fully dive into categories. Check it out, and if you have any questions, ping us with the chat button.